Hey you guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam and today I'll be unboxing the Element Smart Player from Seneca. I'm just gonna jump right in. All right, so it looks like we have a getting started guide. Another box, which I will set aside for right now. Our media player, compact. And let's see what's inside this box. I've got a 64 gig drive, a power adapter, and a cord. And looks like I have 4 screws that are gonna be important. So let me clear all this away and we'll keep going. Built with enterprise-grade components including the 4G LTE dual high-gain antenna for playback and remote locations, the Element Smart Player offers unparalleled performance for digital signage installations. Users can choose from the following Intel processors: Celeron, Pentium, Core i3, i5, or i7. Consumers are also given the flexibility to choose their player's preferred operating system and any other desired form factors. The Element Smart Player possesses an internal and external power supply, active and passive cooling options, and a toolless VESA mount. With the Element's GPIO header, users will be able to capture and aggregate data from IoT sensors and relays, enabling data-driven decision-making and increased ROI. Users can connect with various peripherals using the communication interfaces right here. As always, I wanted to thank the team at Seneca for sending over this media player so that I could unbox it for you and really showcase its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.